Hello Keith, this is our 2017 Range Rover. It's in a pretty decent condition given the mile of the vehicle. It has the black exterior package, so you see the logo, the grille, black, and also the side vents here, finishing black. Come with the yellow caliper. It's a 5-liter V8 supercharged, produced 518 horsepower. Finished with the gloss black interior. $93,000 miles. It does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto already. This is the part we're talking about. It's going to be different in the 2018. Decent space in the back. You do have heated seats in the back as well. And this one also has the rear seat entertainment system. There are your headphones.